Okay, so I'm up here on the roof. Just want to make a quick video talking a little bit about the roof here. First of all, the roof is a 3-tab asphalt shingle, and it does appear to have some age to it. Although it does appear like it's in pretty good shape still. So yeah, I don't see any defects as far as the shingles go. You can see how this is sort of like darker here. That's because of granule loss, and that's a sign of the roof's age. But I don't see any cracking or curling of the shingles just yet. So that being said, it's about a 20. Well, 3-tab shingles are rated for about 25 years. And I'd say this roof's probably like 20 years old, or so 20, 22 years. So it is getting there, but it's still in good shape. Like if you look at the roof over here next to us, that is what shingles that are absolutely toasted look like. So so we're not there yet, but so that's good. Chimney here, you can see a little bit of a crack. So like right here, it goes down in the mortar joint. Not a big deal. I think a bigger thing would be getting a chimney cap on the flue. It sort of bolts on to that piece that sticks out. Other than that, chimney looks like it's in good shape. I do see some roofing tar on the front here. That's pretty typical. Metal flashing really would, is preferred. The reason being, roofing tar dries out and it cracks, so it's one of those things you got to keep an eye on. One thing you got going here is you got the hatch here, so it's real easy to get out here. So I definitely took advantage of that. See, I'm gonna scoot down to the bottom here. This roof is wet and slippery. Whoa. Anyways, so now this section down here, this is rubber. Rubber is a great roofing product. The rubber can last up to 50 years in some cases, and does appear to be installed properly. So I don't think we have much to worry about with the rubber. Rubber is hard to age. It looks good. So it could be 2 years old, could be 10 years old. But yeah, it looks good. Good to see that didn't actually bolt anything down onto the roof. They have it weighed down with these cinder blocks. So, and they actually have tar paper under it so it doesn't damage the rubber, which is awesome. So if this needs to be removed, it's probably old and no longer in use. You can simply remove those blocks and get rid of that whole thing without worrying about any holes in the roof. So plumbing vent here looks good. Everything's sealed up. Yeah, this one as well. I'm not sure what house this one belongs to, sort of in the middle, but it's sealed up, so shouldn't have to worry about that. Let's see. Yeah, gutters look to be decent. I did notice out front the one gutter did have some water in it. It could be clogged with ice, so I'm not really sure. This one, we don't have that issue. That's good. And the roof down below. This roof, that's an architectural type shingle, and that looks to be newer than the rest of the roof. So that this should be good for a while yet. So yeah, that's about it.